going to test drive this. It's a 1978. I made a mistake on that. Just kind of look around. Probably never see the inside of it. I'm going to try to get it going. It's a little old. See how it does. Got a 15 speed double over. There we go. Now we're going. Everything's out front, man. Here we go. We're rolling. Kind of look and see what the cab looks like. We put our air tank on it. It's pretty good shape. There's the bed. Okay, get it done. See what it does. Now we're driving this old 1978 Freightliner cab over. See, I mean, it's right there. No hood. It's holding air. Replaced the air tank on it. So far, it's so good. We'll see about it here. There's the bed. The inside of this thing's pretty nasty. Been sitting a while. Everything seems to be fine. Just take her back to the yard.